Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about the next part, that is, in my first video I have told about how to set the levels. Now in my today's video I'll be telling about how to change all the names of this level. As you can see here, this is these are the levels which I have changed, that is first floor, second floor, third floor, then foundation level, then multi level, all are present here. Now as you can see here, these are the various levels which are present here: analytical levels, level 1 analytical level, level 2 analytical levels. Okay, so now as you can see here, these are the various levels which are present here. What is the difference between the analytical level and the such as level 1 analytical, and our level 1 is the ground level? So these are the two same levels. So what is the difference between them? I will show you. Let me go do one thing. Let me first move to the ground level, or let me change its name. Simply do one thing, simply move here and edit it. After editing it, let me do one thing. Let me click in this level 1 and rename it. Rename it to ground floor analytic. Sorry, not ground floor. Okay, this is the ground. I have make it as ground level. Let me move to the elevation and make this one instead of the ground level. Okay, ground level, first floor level. Okay, everything is okay. So make this one as, now I'll do one thing. Let me move to the first floor. Now instead of ground floor, I will give this one as the ground level analytical. Then this one is the, I will click in this line and I will press F2. Remember that in order to rename, I can click in this level and I can press the F2 button, or I can either press F2 button to rename, or I can click in the levels and right click it and rename it. Here I will do as, this one is first floor analytical. So this one is the first floor analytical. Okay, ground level analytical, first floor analytical. Now I will create also the analytical level for all the floors. So for that, what you need to do is, first let me show you the difference between the analytical levels and the floor levels. Suppose let me do one thing. Suppose let me go to the this one is the architecture tab for the Revit architecture, but my one is Revit structure. So I will go to the structure tab and let me place one column. Let me click in the columns. After clicking in the column, select here the concrete column. After clicking in the concrete column, suppose let me place here one concrete column. After placing the concrete column, you can go to the 3D view to check the concrete column. This is how the concrete column looks like. But if I will go to the similarly, if I will go to the first floor, our view looks in this manner. But if I will go to the ground level, our view looks in this manner. But if I will go to the ground level analytical, our view will looks in this manner, a simple dot, as you can see here, a simple dot it will look like. Now if I go to the 3D view in the analytical level, this is the ground level and this one is the ground level analytical. It looks in a different manner. Similarly, if I will go to the first floor level, it looks in this manner, the column. But if I'll go to the first floor analytical, it looks like a simple dot. So this one is the difference between the first floor level and the first floor analytical level, means the difference between the analytical level and the geometric level. Actually these are the geometric levels, whereas these are the analytical levels. So I have to now create analytical levels as well as geometric levels for all the floors. As I have created these two levels, first floor and ground floor analytical, I have changed the name. Now I have to create in the similar manner. So for that, what you will do is, first now let me do one thing. Now let me move to the, see, as you can see here, there are structural plans as well as there are floor plans. But as soon as you click in the floor plans, second floor is present, third floor is present, foundation level is present, and multi level is present, but there is no ground level as well as first floor. So what you need to do is, you have to create here first floor and ground level, and for that what you will do is, you have to simply go to the view, and click here plan views. In the plan views, click here, and now I need to create two plans in the floor plan. So I will go simply to the floor plan. After going to the floor plan, I will select both the levels, that is first floor as well as ground level. After that, see, if you will click on do not duplicate existing views, all the levels it will show, but click it here because these two levels are not present here. Simply click in these two levels, and after clicking these two levels, uncheck it and now press OK. After pressing OK, you will see here the first floor as well as ground level. Now click on OK. After clicking in OK, as you can see here, now the ground level is there present here as well as first floor level is present here. Hope it's clear to all of you that now the levels are present here. First floor is also present here as well as ground level is also present here. Similarly, in the structural also, second floor, third floor, first floor, foundation, everything is present here. Now let me delete this column. After deleting these columns, now everything is done. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create different levels in the structural plans as well as in the floor plans, how you can copy the levels in the floor plan, and after that how you can rename them to analytical levels. Okay, after that the analytical levels which are present here, you have to also make the analytical levels in the structural plans, and for that what you will do is, you have to simply go to the, as here first floor analytical is present, ground level analytical is present, but other levels analytical is not present in the structure. So simply again go to the plan view in the view and click it in the structure plan. After that, do not duplicate existing views. Now what are the analytical levels I need to create? I need to create analytical level for the ground floor, third floor, first floor already present, foundation level also analytical is required, ground level analytical is present, multi level analytical is also required. Now click it here. Now those levels will come here. Now I have to rename them by pressing F2. I will rename it as second floor analytical. Now let me copy this analytical part from here to here by pressing Ctrl C. I have kept here analytical. Now third floor, again press F2 button and Ctrl V, analytical. Now in the first floor analytical, press foundation level, again press F2, paste it, analytical. Then multi level, again press here, analytical, then again paste here, analytical. This is how I have created the analytical level as well in the structural plan also. But remember that as soon as you will go to the second floor and press the VB button in the keyboard, go to the second floor. Let me first delete all these tabs, or you can simply close here, or let me do one thing, let me delete it individually, all the plans. Let me go to the ground level. So let me go to the ground level. After clicking in the ground level, now you can click it here and press VB, or you can simply go to this visuality and graphics, VG. You can place the shortcut key VG, or you can go to the view and visuality and graphics, visibility and graphics. As soon as you go here, you can see here these are the buttons which are checked here and these are unchecked here. And if you now go to the ground level analytical, if you go to the ground level analytical and check the visibility graphics, here most of them are checked here. So in order to make the difference, as you can remember, our analytical level which was present, our analytical level is at the initial time our analytical level was present for the ground floor, for the ground level, as well as for the, let me go to the 3D view. Let me go to the elevation view in the north. Initially our analytical level was present for the ground level and first floor. That is, ground level analytical is initially present here and first floor analytical, both are present here. So what you will do is, you will right click in any, either in this one or in this one, you will right click it. After that you will create here, create view template. You will click it here, create view template from the view. After clicking it here, view template from the view, you will write as the analytical. After clicking on analytical, click OK. See here, I have created analytical, and now click OK. After clicking it OK, now I will show you the difference. Let me do one thing, let me move to the second floor. After moving to the second floor, let me create one structure again. Let me create one column again. So if you will check the same thing in the analytical level, it will show you in the same manner. But if you will move to the ground level, and you will create one column here, in the ground level the column will show in this manner, and in the ground level analytical it will show you as a dot. But the same thing does not happen in the second floor. In the second floor it is showing in this manner, and in the analytical also it is showing in the same fashion. So in order to change it, I have created just now the properties by clicking it here, by creating view template from view. Now I will change all the properties. I will do one thing. Now I will select second floor, third floor, first floor is already present initially. No, first floor is not initially present. Let me go to the elevation. Ground level and first floor is present. So ground level and first floor is present. Ground level is present initially. Foundation you select, and first floor analytical is present initially. Now let me move to the, these are my new analytical which I have created. After, these are my new analytical levels I have created. After selecting these new analytical levels, simply you have to right click and apply view template. After right clicking and apply view template, you can see here this one I have created. Now you can apply, click on apply the properties and click OK. Now I will show you the changes in the in the second floor. It was showing in this manner, but initially in the second floor analytical it was showing in this manner. Now I hope it has changed. See, now in the second floor analytical it is showing in this fashion. So hope it's clear to all of you how to change the properties of the second floor and the second floor analytical, means how to change the properties of second floor, third floor. The properties are same in second floor, third floor, first floor, foundation level, ground level and multi level, whereas the properties I have made similar in analytical levels. Now these are all same properties in the analytical level. Now I have to group the analytical levels in a separate fashion, and the floor structural plans floor level in the separate manner. For that, what we will do is, let me close all these tabs. Let me close all this tab, delete it. Now what I will do is, I will now go to the manage. After moving to the manage, you will go here project parameter, click it, can save it. I don't want to save now. After going to the project parameter, you click on add. After clicking add, you name the parameter data as view type. You name it as view type. After that, discipline is common, length, type of parameter you change here as text, and you move here as the identity data. What this means, you can see here graphics is present here, underlay is present here. Here if you will go down, identity data will also show here. It says graphics is present here. If you will select graphics, the new property will be shown in the graphics tab. Now I will select identity data. After selecting identity data, now click on, now here click on view. Here you have to click on view. After clicking on view, hide the unchecked data and click on now OK. What I have written the name as capital letter view type. After that, click on OK. Now click on OK. After clicking on OK, now what you need to do is, I have created the project parameter. Now I need to go to this structural plan, and I will, above the structural plan view is there. I will click in this view and I will right click it, and I will go to the browser organization. After going to the browser organization, I will go to the, here all is selected here. Now I will go here to the discipline. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me close this one. Before that, what you will need to do is, you have to go to the second floor. Go to the second floor. Now see here the properties under identity data. Identity data properties I have set here view type. Here I have provided as text. Text means I will write. Now here let me provide as geometrical property, geometry, geometry. Now in the view type as geometry and apply it. In the similar manner, I will select all, second floor, third floor, first floor, ground foundation level, ground level, multi level. I will select it and in the view type, in the properties, I will write as geometry. Applied. See, applied it. Now in the analytical level, I will select all the analytical levels. I have selected all the analytical levels. Now in the view type, I will write as analytical. I will write as analytical and I will apply it. Applied. See, now if I will go to this analytical, you can see here view type is changed to analytical. If I will go to the second floor only, view type you can see here geometrical. So I have changed analytical to the view type analytical and only the floor to the geometric level. Now I will go it here and I will right click it, or I will go to the browser organization, or you can go to view. After going to the view, you can go to the user interface and you can select here browser organization, but this one is a bit lengthy, so simply go to view, click in, right click it here, go to browse organization. Now after going to the browse organization, select here discipline. After selecting discipline, edit it. After editing it, now go to group and sorting. Here discipline is present here, then go to this part, family is present here. Now let me select here as view type. Now sort by level, associated level. Now click on OK and apply it and press OK. Now you can see here structure is present here, structural plans are present here. Now analytical levels are all present in the analytical tab. Geometry are all present in the geometry tab, and now it is arranged in a fashion manner, such as foundation level is the bottom portion, ground level so the lowest one is foundation, then ground level, then first floor, then second floor, then third floor, then mumty. Similarly ground level, ground floor, foundation level, ground level, first floor, second floor, third floor, mumty. Now I will hide this one because I require only the geometry part as well as I require the floor plans. These are, but here question mark is present here because in the site I have not mentioned the view type. As you can see here in the site, I have not given the view type. Let me give the view type in the site as site and applied. View type as site, applied. Now my view type is changed to site. Similarly in all the floor plans I have not given the view type, so I will select all the floor plans and I will give the view type as floor plans, applied. Floor plans, applied. Now also my view type is not changed. Here I will write floor plans, applied. Now my question mark is changed to floor plan. This is how I can change it. Now our floor plans are required, site is not required, analytical level is not required, and geometrical level. These levels are required as well as these levels are required. Now I will close the site, I will close the second floor and I will simply go to the ground level. This one is the ground level of the analytical. So this is, hope this is clear to all of you, how to organize all the levels and how to organize their properties as well in a fashioned manner. So hope it's clear to all of you. So in my next video I will be teaching you about the grid lines, how to set the grid lines before the construction. So hope it's clear to all of you. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.